Do my reading for the sign of Gemini, all that you need to know. So I'm really sorry for giving it late. So let's see what you guys can possibly expect in your love relationships. What is happening with you guys currently? Let me pull two cards for that first. Starting off with you, what is happening with Geminis currently? What's coming up for Geminis for the next couple of weeks? Right now with Knight of Swords, I believe some of you guys are wanting to know about a situation from the past which is possibly upsetting you. You want to know why your person rejected you or why they made you go through so much shit. Okay, I also feel you're a bit upset with them. One more card. What Gemini is going through. Knight of Swords is a card which wants answers. Okay, you want to know why this person made you go through so much in life. With Sun card, you want to release yourself. You want to make yourself available to potential better relationships. Okay, so you want to know whether this is worth the wait or whether you should just let go of it completely. Okay, what else do we see coming up in Gemini's life for a couple of weeks? With the Eight of Wands, I do see you guys getting a lot of attention. Some of you might also get communication from someone you are finally upset with or have very negative memories of. We have Six of Cups in the reverse. This person literally left a bad taste in your mouth. Like, you have all bad and upsetting memories about them. Okay, but I do see you getting a lot of attention for the next couple of weeks. Okay, regarding your soulmate, Gemini soulmate, one card for what are they up to? Regarding your soulmate, we have Six of Swords. This person is at a distance. They've been trying to stay away or they've been trying to move on. In the past, I believe they had their walls up, guards up. They were not letting you in, but right now they're trying to stay away. Okay. With Ace of Wands, still they haven't completely let go of the, of thinking that this could work somehow, but they're still keeping a distance or maintaining a distance from you. Give me one more card. How are they thinking about you now? How are they possibly thinking about you now? For some of you, this person lives at a distance. Okay. How are they thinking about you? We have the High Priestess. So this person is very much intentionally still ghosting you, still maintaining distance, still possibly staying at a arm's length from you. Okay. With Five of Cups, they do have regrets, however, for whatever they've made you go through. But even now, they are still juggling whether they should take this opportunity or they should drop it. Okay. One more card. What can you possibly expect from them in the next couple of weeks? What can you expect? I still see Nine of Swords. Okay, you cannot really expect much from Nine of Swords. This person is restless over you, but they are choosing to stay away. Okay, they are choosing to not get involved. Okay, so that's their intention overall. So let's see in terms of how they're thinking about you now. How are they possibly thinking about you now moving forward? With Five of Swords in the reverse, if this person made you go through a lot, they possibly hurt you, said some very hurtful, harsh, mean things to you, then they are possibly very much guilty about it. Okay, with Nine of Pentacles, they do wish to return back to you. That's their wish to get back. In terms of what do they have to offer now? What do they have to offer now? What do they have to offer, darling? I still see that this person hasn't completely decided of giving into this relationship. Even if this comes even if they come back, I still see it being very dicey, very up and down. Okay, I don't see them having what it takes to give you a stable relationship, to be honest. Okay, in terms of their feelings towards you now, in terms of their feelings towards you. In other their feelings with King of Swords, this person hasn't really said much, done much, have been acting very detached, ice cold. Okay, some of you could be dealing with a Libra or an Aquarius air sign, very prominent. Bottom card Ace of Cups, top card Three of Wands. For some of you, the distance got in the way. Okay, there was love, but this person is not wanting to act on it. In terms of that, I do feel the distance got in the way. It could either be physical distance or emotional distance. Okay, how do they feel when they miss you? How do they truly feel when they miss you? Okay. With King of Pentacles, right now this person is wanting to stay focused on their finances. The reason why they are holding back is because they are wanting to focus on themselves. They are wanting to focus on their personal growth, professional growth, financial growth. They are possibly maintaining distance to not distract themselves from attaining what they believe is the right thing to do. That is their personal life. They are wanting to focus on their personal life. There are two kings here, so some of you might be dealing with a same-sex relationship. Doesn't have to be, but some of you might be dealing with it. No harm. Give me one more card for what's blocking the connection. What's blocking the connection? For some of you, this person is way too practical for them to even, give into an emotional relationship. Okay, way too practical, way too logical. That sometimes could get very boring, right? What's blocking the connection? We have Page of Wands, lack of communication, lack of this person wanting to make a move forward. Page of Cups, holding back. Some of you could be possibly waiting for this person to apologize to you, but that never came in. Okay, for some of you, this person had two options and they never chose you. Okay, with Knight of Wands, it could also be that for some of you, this person was in for an open relationship, whereas you were not. You were looking for something serious, but this person wasn't really giving you anything, so you possibly stayed or maintained distance from them. Okay, so one card for what's coming up in this connection now. What's coming up in this connection now? With Queen of Cups, I do feel like this relationship somehow is gonna move forward. Okay, but you guys should possibly go within and feel what you feel. That is, open up about your feelings, like open up about what you truly want with each other. I still feel like there is lots still left in this connection. If your person wasn't so self-obsessed and so self-focused, things would have been much easier for you. The situation would have been completely different. So in terms of their intentions towards you now, in terms of their intentions towards you, Gemini soulmates intentions towards Gemini now. In terms of their intention, we have Seven of Cups. So I still feel like they have too much to possibly deal with right now, and this some of them might be choosing between their work life and you. Okay, I won't say that everyone would have a third party, but yes, selected few. I would say possibly like 30% and less there was a third party. For the rest of you, this person has been very focused on their finances. They feel like they need to get more secure. Okay, one more card for what action are they going to take towards you now. What action are they possibly going to take towards you? What action are they willing to take towards you, darling? This person does want to end the possible, silence. Okay, they want to end the distance that's in between the two of you. Okay, I still feel like this person hasn't given up, darling, but I don't see them wanting to give you commitment as of soon, to be honest. Okay, my readings are very straightforward. So, what can you possibly expect for the next couple of weeks? What can you possibly expect for the next couple of weeks? With Justice in the reverse, I still see this connection being out of balance. Okay, you guys are on different pages altogether. With Seven of Wands, you also have maintained your distance because you've not been getting what you want, and this person isn't ready to offer you what you want. So this connection possibly is still, not getting where you guys wanted it to get. Okay, I still see you guys facing the heartbreak, so some of you will still maintain the separation. Okay, so let's see what love messages this person want to say to you that they haven't said so far. Love messages from Gemini soulmate to Gemini now. For some of you, I can't give you commitment. I'm sorry. This person isn't willing to give you commitment or isn't ready to give you commitment. Okay, I want to apologize for my actions. Tell me you still want me. So this person also wants reassurance from you. Some of you, you guys could be dealing with a Pisces or a Cancer. Sexual thoughts. Okay, last card, top of the mind. I know you're hurting. So they very much have an idea that you're hurting, and you need a very good explanation as to why they are doing this to you, but you've not been getting shit from them. I believe right now, darling, keep your options open because this person isn't sure about you. They aren't sure of giving you a commitment. I do not know their blockages, majorly being them wanting to focus on their own life personally, and right now I believe this person isn't willing to make the necessary changes to fix the connection. This reading has been given for the next couple of weeks, so you don't have to possibly worry about the long term future. This is like short term. Okay, so if this reading resonated and you want to hear more of this, please do like the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. All those who wish to get a personal reading done from me, please reach out on my website and book one for yourself. Thank you so much for coming in, and see you soon, guys. Cheers.